Reply.io is a sales engagement platform designed to streamline and automate the outreach process for sales teams. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for email automation, lead generation, and customer relationship management. By leveraging AI and machine learning, Reply.io aims to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of sales activities, making it a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes. This review assesses Reply.io based on pricing, features, ease of use, performance, customer support, and overall value. Pricing: Reply.io offers a range of pricing plans to cater to different business needs. Email volume: $49 per month per user, which includes basic email automation features. Multi-channel: $89 per month per user, adding advanced features like A/B testing and integration with CRM tools. Agency plan: $166. Reply.io also offers a 14-day free trial, allowing users to explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. Features: Reply.io comes packed with features designed to optimize sales engagement. Email automation: automate personalized email sequences, follow-ups, and responses. Lead generation: use the built-in lead generation tool to find potential prospects. AI-driven email assistant suggests improvements and optimizes email content for better engagement. Multi-channel outreach: combine email, phone calls, LinkedIn, and SMS to create cohesive outreach campaigns. A/B testing: test different email versions to determine the most effective approach. CRM integration: seamlessly integrates with popular CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. Analytics and reporting: comprehensive analytics to track campaign performance and optimize future outreach efforts. Ease of use: Reply.io is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Intuitive interface: the platform features a clean, intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. Drag-and-drop editor simplifies the creation of email sequences and campaigns. Onboarding and tutorials: extensive onboarding resources and tutorials to help new users get started quickly. Users generally find the platform easy to set up and use, even with minimal technical knowledge. Performance: Reply.io is known for its robust performance. Deliverability: high email deliverability rates due to built-in spam detection and optimization tools. Scalability: suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. Reliability: stable and reliable performance with minimal downtime reported by users. The platform's AI-driven features also enhance performance by optimizing email content and timing for better engagement rates. Customer support: Reply.io offers strong customer support to assist users. 24/7 support, available via live chat, email, and phone. Comprehensive knowledge base, detailed documentation and FAQs to help troubleshoot common issues. Dedicated account managers, for professional and custom plans, providing personalized support and strategy. Customer support is generally praised for its responsiveness and helpfulness. Value for money: Reply.io provides excellent value for money, especially considering the range of features and automation capabilities. The pricing is competitive, and the platform's ability to save time and increase sales efficiency justifies the investment. Pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive email automation and lead generation features, high email deliverability rates, user-friendly interface with intuitive design, strong customer support, AI-driven tools to enhance outreach effectiveness. Cons: higher-tier plans can be expensive for small businesses, learning curve for advanced features. Conclusion: Reply.io is a powerful sales engagement platform that offers a wide array of features to streamline and automate outreach efforts. Go to Reply.io. The link for Reply.io is in the description of this video. Have a nice day.